guys, it's AngieChu, and my voice is mostly back, so I am very happy about that. So today we're going to learn all about Glitterage. What is Glitterage? Glitterage is a new I thought I had my voice back. Glitterage is a new fancy trend that involves putting glitter into your hair. Now there are two ways to do this. The first way, you can mix the glitter into hair dye and have a stylist put the glitter and the hair dye in your hair, making a very glittery concoction. Or the easiest way is you can use some hair gel and some glitter and mix them together and put it on your hair. Now everyone says this is super easy to do, but there is literally nothing online talking about if Glitterage actually works. And for someone who likes glitter as much as me, we need to figure this out ASAP. So to start, again, what you're gonna need is just a normal thing of gel. This was like $5 at Kroger, which is a grocery store if you don't have Kroger in your area. And just some body glitter. I got this from Sally Beauty. It was about $1.50. There's a lot of really good colors, by the way. You guys should totally get some. And then you're gonna wanna mix it together. Now, professionals will have the little mixing dishes, but I am not a professional. So we're gonna use this container. Step 1, open your hair gel. It smells good. Step 2, place the hair gel into the container, not the whole thing. Oh yeah, you need something to stir it with. This is a popsicle stick. Since I teach small children how to read good and stuff, I have a lot of these. You can get a pack of 100 for like 50 cents at Walmart. So let's scoop some hair gel. Just a little dab will do. And then let's mix in some glitter. This container previously contained chicken. The chicken was very tasty. And just like that, we have made this a video about race in America. Go see Black Panther. So now that we have a glob of glitter gel, we're going to apply this to the hair. I'm gonna take some of the dab away. I'm dabbing for glitter. So you want to take a segment of your hair and apply the glitter gel to it. Now again, a professional would probably have something to do this professionally with. I'm going to use the popsicle stick and apply it because it has the same result. Ooh, this is actually really pretty. Just a dab will do. Oh yeah, this actually works really well, you guys. Can you see that? It's kind of sparkling when I see it in the iPad, but I'm not sure if you guys can see it. The only thing I don't like about this is then like your hair is starchy and jelly, and I mean, it's not a good feeling. Ooh, girl, give me that electric feel, baby girl. Show me that electric feel. Oh, there's a glob. Oh god, it's sticky. Ah! Okay, so while good in theory and pretty when you first apply it, I suddenly don't recommend this anymore. Like, my hair is like a piece of paper with glitter all over it. I guess like if you were doing like a dance competition or something where your hair is actually slicked back, like this is a good idea. Like maybe a wedding where like the top half of your hair is slicked back, but for like day-to-day use, like, look at this. No. And maybe that's my fault for the gel that I chose to buy. Yeah, like, I think I'm just gonna stick to pouring glitter on my hair if I want it on my hair. Or buying actual glitter gel, like body glitter gel, would probably work a lot better. I would do that, but I'm low on my glitter gel right now, so I don't really want to waste it. But yeah, if my final verdict, if you don't mind the stiffness, it does look very pretty. Like, yeah, like you can see at least some of it, I hope. But it does look very pretty. The problem is then it goes like this. So yeah, that's my review, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and leave 2 glittery thumbs way up. And down in the comments below, tell me if you've tried Glitterage and had better results, what you think about Glitterage in general, and what kind of tutorial you'd like to see me do next. And for anyone who watched the previous video, I know that this video was supposed to be on AngieChu's dance performance of the EDM Slide Challenge. Due to the injury of one of our members, we have pushed that shoot back to next Wednesday, which is the 7th? Yeah, the 7th. We're going to say that's right. So next Thursday, you guys will be able to see AngieChu's debut dance video of the EDM Slide Challenge. And on Sunday, there will also be a video of how to pass your Mach 1 class for VIP Kid. So for those of you who have applied, thank you guys so much. There will be instructions on how to pass both Big X, Small X, and My Culture, My Country, so that you guys can be VIP teachers like me and put glitter in your hair. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I need to go wash this off, and I will see you next time. Bye!